This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the device seals and preparing a clean workstation, because tampering and distractions cause errors. Once done, plug the ledger into your computer and open Ledger Live. The app detects the device and walks you through firmware checks. Make sure to install any updates now, since firmware ensures secure communication. Next, choose to create a new wallet and write down the 24-word recovery phrase exactly in order. This phrase is your only backup, so store it offline. Once the device is initialized and you've stored the recovery phrase, you add cryptocurrency apps in Ledger Live. The apps manage specific blockchains. Connect and open the app on the device for each coin as you install its app. Ledger Live then creates accounts you can use to receive and send. Always verify the receive address on the device display, because Ledger signs addresses locally. This prevents address substitution. If you want layered protection, enable the passphrase feature after confirming you understand key recovery implications. You complete transactions by initiating them in Ledger Live and physically confirming each detail on the device, because signing happens offline for security. After approving, wait for network confirmations and check the on-chain record. For long-term safety, keep a tested offline backup of your recovery phrase in a secure location. If something goes wrong, such as app errors, stuck transactions, or unrecognized firmware, reboot the device, reconnect, ensure firmware is current, and use Ledger Live's repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.